How to allow camera permissions in Google Chrome. So in this video, I'll show you how you can enable and use your camera in the Chrome browser. Now all you need to do is load up the Chrome browser like so, click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, and then you can scroll down to the bottom and click on Settings. Now from this left hand side, click on Privacy and Security. You'll then need to scroll down and click on Site Settings. You can then scroll down to the camera and click on this. Make sure Sites can ask to use your camera is turned on like so. You can also select your camera from the drop down arrow. You can see this section that says not allowed to use your camera. Make sure you don't have the website added here. And once you've done this, the next time you try to access a website that requires your camera, it's then going to pop up with a notification where you can allow camera access. Now, another way to do this is you can head over to the website that you want to allow the camera permission for. You can then click on this icon next to the address bar and click on Site Settings. Now, if you scroll down to Permissions, you need to make sure that the camera is set to allow. Now, once you've done this, it will allow the camera for that specific website. You may need to click on Reload in order to confirm the changes.